I want to speak English. I want to speak English confidently. But how? Really, I want to learn. But I don't know what should do. I have tried so many things, but I couldn't find a proper result. How to improve my English language? And what should read in the very beginning day? What is the need to improve my English, to improve my basic? So friends, if you have this question, then this video I'm going to share with you. Yes, you can speak English confidently and effortlessly. So friends, what will happen? First thing, we need to learn easy English words. We need to learn easy things. Okay? Because in the very beginning day, it is not need to learn advanced English words, advanced English structure, advanced English sentence, idioms. No. Because in the very beginning day, we are unable to find out all these difficult words meaning. So what is the need to first we should improve, which is easy words. Okay, easy words we can easy understand. That's why it is need to just learn easy words. So here is a one question: how to learn easy words, and where I can find easy words. So what I done, English storybook, which is helped me a lot. That's why we need to learn easy words in the very beginning day. Easy words, you can find out all the meanings very easily and you can understand all the meanings very easily. That's why I recommended kids story books. You should start reading kids story book, and while reading kids story book you can find out different meaning, which is you can find out proper meaning sentence very easy. Okay, and the other thing is you can understand very easily without any extra efforts. And next, you can uh, you can improve your small grammatical sentence while reading. Okay, that's why it is need to just pick any storybooks, any kids storybook in according to your like. If you like any uh, animal kids storybook, any human being storybook, just buy it. Okay, so this way you can try to improve your English easily. And what we need to do first in the very beginning day, watching English content. Yes, you heard me right. If I talk about myself, I used to listen English kids story, kids story videos, which is animated story, cartoon videos, and Panchatantra stories. I watched a lot. Okay, so friends, don't think about that. In the very beginning day, we should learn advanced idioms, advanced English structure, advanced sentences. No, in my opinion, no need. What is the need? Main thing, just you can try to understand all the things properly. That's it. This is enough to improve your English in the very beginning days. Okay, so don't think about that we should learn advanced word. No. Why? Because if you start learn English advanced word, advanced idioms, advanced structure, then maybe many chances to quit your journey very easily and very early. That's why if you don't want to quit your English journey, then just learn with consistency. Then learn with consistency, and small task you have to complete. Okay, small task. Don't think today I take a big task and after finishing I will be become fluent English speaker early. No, English speaking, it is not a very small things. It is a very big book. Okay, so every day you have to learn one page in this book. Okay, because English is not only one subject. English is language, and language to improving take a large time. Okay, so that's why we need to find out small kids story books. Okay, and that's why we need to learn small words in the very beginning day. So what we need to do to improve English language? First is first is which is I applied in my journey, because I'm from Hindi medium, and English journey, it is not very easy for me. Okay, because before starting my English journey, I wasn't understand English properly. Then I used to learn English storybooks, and one time, two time I couldn't understand. Then I tried many times, and I wrote many times only one book. Okay, that's why we need to just pick up one small storybook and try to repeat again and again and try to understand. Okay, just in the very beginning day we need to learn easy things, because if you learn difficult things, then there is many chances to quit your journey. If you don't want to quit, then please learn small things in a day. Don't take a big task in a day. Okay, just take a small task, easy task in a day, and try to complete. After taking small things, you will be see the result. You will be see your English is improving. Okay, so friends, just take small things and try to do it every single day. There is a nothing any way to improve English language. This is a only one way, which is you have to do. Okay, so friends, what I wanted to share with you, I explained all it. And if you like it, then please like, share, subscribe, and I hope you are get it my point. If you, then please start learning and start taking small task and start follow it. So friends, if you like this video, then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet till the next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.